What's up guys, James from SIKKY Manufacturing. Time to give you guys an update on our YouTube room studio. A little bit of progress has been made, not without some hiccups, so things are looking much better though, and we're getting closer to being able to use this puppy, which we're all looking forward to. As you can see, things are much cleaner in here, but walls are prepped. Got 99% of the stuff out of here. And you also notice a broken lift. So we tried to do something a little different here. Instead of going with our normal rotary lifts, we got one of these cheaper Chinese lifts, I guess you'd say. And the piston on this side of the lift completely took a crap, like the seals were blown out. Basically, first use, it started puking all the hydraulic fluid out. So pulled the hydraulic piston out of there, got a new one warranted, and today I'm gonna throw this puppy back in so we can finally clean up this mess and get ready to paint the walls and the floor. So, should be interesting, being that I'm not exactly a hydraulic lift mechanic, but simple stuff, so hopefully we'll be able to get it working right and bled and functioning properly so it doesn't leave us hanging. All right, so mission accomplished. Got the new cylinder in there. It was not easy, I'm not gonna lie. Super heavy, not to mention keeping that chain out of the way, but finagled it in there, got it all bled out, and it works like a champ. Let's check it out. All right, lift's working. Happy with how this turned out. Now we're ready to use this puppy, but still gotta get this paint done. So look over my shoulder, see all this green on the floor? We're gonna have to get the power washer out to get that stuff off, unfortunately, because it's just overspray from our FD builds a couple years ago, but definitely not something you wanna paint over because it's gonna just come apart and make a big old mess and lift up, and new paint's gonna come off too easy. So next step, unfortunately, is power washing in here. It's not gonna be fun, but we'll get her done.
Okay, get it. Show the part that you know.
Here at SIKKY, we also paint.
What do you mean we? I paint.
Here at SIKKY, Jacob paints. Back the thing up. Ooh, it's good when you back the thing up. All right, home stretch. He did this entire floor with that one brush.
Just one brush.
One brush. One pan. One man.
One pan, one man, one
Believe
brush.
he can. Yeah. Stroking on.
Long strokes and then quick little strokes.
Hey.
You know what I'm saying?
Fast action.
Yeah. Here we go. Shot. There it is.
All right, so that completes this episode of our series on building a YouTube studio. As you can see, the paint's pretty much wrapped up. We've got a little touch up to do and remove some of the painting tape, but next episode, we're gonna start moving everything back in here and get it finally ready to rock and start using this area to film more videos for you guys.